Okay, so let's work on deployment. First of all, go to heroku.com and create an account if you already don't have one. If you have account, then log in. You will also need Heroku Cli. So here you can see, you can visit this link devcenter.heroku.com, and here you will find how to install the CLI. So once installed, you will need to log in, but before that we will have to make some changes to our server side code right after our routes. So when we deploy our app from our React side, there will be a build folder which will be used by Heroku. So for that, here we will say and we will check our environment. So if process.env.node_environment equals to production, if we are in production, then we will serve our build folder app.use express.static, and the folder will be inside our client directory, then build. We will load the index.html file inside our build folder. For that we will say app.get asterisk anything. It will take a request response. Here we will say res.send file, and now we need to require path module. So it will be path.resolve our root directory, this one, so we can get access to that by _dir name, then client, and inside client build, and inside build we want to load the index.html. So here we are checking if the environment is production, then we are serving our build folder inside client, and here we are giving the path of index.html which will be inside our build folder. Now in our package.json we need to add Heroku post build to run the build, and for that we will say Heroku post build, and we will say npm config production equals to false. It will not run the build script if it's in production. So for that, just to run the build script, we are setting the production false. After that it will become true. Then we will run npm install inside client folder. So for that we will add -- prefix client, and we will also run build folder inside client. npm run -- build npm run build -- prefix client. Now after that, let's log into Heroku. Okay, so now I am logged in. Now we will create app. For that we will say Heroku create So this is the app it created for us. Let's go to Heroku and see. So this is the URL. Now here we will set our remote URL. So just copy this one and paste it here. Heroku get colon remote dash a and the link of our URL. So after that we need to add get add all commit and then push to Heroku. So for that let me remove git from client because I'll be using in our main at root level. Cd client rm-rf dot get, and inside our main folder we will initialize git repository. And now we will push to Heroku. Now it will take some time to push to Heroku. Now here in our app go to settings and under reveal config vars, here we will have to define our environment variable as we are not using .env here. So the first one is mongo URI, and the second one was JWT secret. Let's go to this open app. So here it is our app. Let's delete our data from database. Let's create a new user. This is the localhost. This one is the URL. Okay, so we have redirected to login. Let's go to database. So the user is created. Now log in with this user. Okay, I'm logged in, and let's try to log out. Logged out. So that's how we can add authentication to our MERN stack application and deploy our MERN stack application to Heroku. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.